Hello everybody, my name is Andrei Orlov, I'm the head of the company Dr. Gradus, and today we would like to shoot a video about how to make an order on our English website. So we need to visit our website. Just type dr-gradus.com. Yeah, and this is our international English language website. Over here, about 90% of whole information is already translated to the fine English language, and you're able to read everything. Also, I need to admit, if you find something in Russian, if it's still there, just write us an email with a link and we can translate everything there if there's going to be any questions. So let's have an example for some equipment. For example, I will go for the cheapest distiller we have. It's gonna be Stillman variant. Yep, a small reflux column, and I just take a 17-liter boiler, which is 4.5 gallon. Add to cart, and over here we have a cart where you can adjust everything, delete, plus and minus, anything you like. And over here you can see total. Also you can continue the shopping and add anything you like, addition to this order. For example, hose. Yeah, there's already hoses with the distiller. Also, I need to admit that under each unit, under each product, we have information about the product. So if you go down, here's information like a description, equipment, so what's coming with the unit, characteristic, yeah, video, there's English video about this distiller, some product reviews. So these are Russian, but if there's gonna be English one, you will also still able to see what's in there. And just go to basket. Over here you see your cart and adjust the quantity. You can delete it just by hitting the special button, yeah. Or you can continue the shopping and add anything you like to this cart. So we go for checkout. So on the next page we have personal information, and I just put myself, Andrei Orlov, the second name. It's not really needed. Actually, it's needed for Russians in some countries where you have to have a second name. Then email, I just put ours, and then add your phone. This is also very important. Then we add your country and your city. Underneath we have delivery method. We always suggest you choosing DHL, but we can calculate airmail and provide the whole information about it to your country as well, but DHL is a better way. Why? Have a look at this video. So over here we need to write your address. I just put mine just as an example. And postcode. Postcode is also very important. With this information we can make an accurate calculation of the package which is going to be delivered to you. Yep, payment method, PayPal and Visa, debit card, credit card, anything you like, any plastic Visa. This is international payment system, so it's absolutely fine to use this method. PayPal is also. And over here we just don't need to pay anything, it's going to be on the next page. Over here we can push the button for the consultation if it's needed. You also see the list of equipment over here, and over here you can write a comment to your order. For example, write me about shipping. What's the cost? Have a look at my equipment. Maybe I forgot about something. Yeah, and then we can just accept the information. Yeah, a standard button on all websites, and just a push button for the checkout. And over here, as you can see, the cart is empty, and then we can go to personal account. This is on the right corner of your website, on our website. Yeah, and just push the button for order history. Yeah, this is our order, and as you can see, the products, yeah, more detailed in case if you need to see what's going to be over here. This is actually the information you provided. So we go back again, and over here we can repeat this order in case if you someone really liked the equipment and he wants to receive the whole stuff you ordered. And then we can cancel the order and pay. You can pay before the calculation shipping, but we suggest you to wait a little bit, yeah, so we can calculate the shipping according to address you provide and understand how much it's going to be and write the whole information about it. And then we can say to you that you can go on our website, log in to personal account, and then just pay payment for the shipping. We can make another request by PayPal or a special link for the payment by debit card of the shipping cost. Yes, also during the session on website you can see this unit with chat. So over here you can chat with our international sales manager Sergey, who is calculating whole orders from abroad. Yeah, and ask any questions about equipment and the process. Over here I can answer, Sergey can answer, and Michael, he's our head of online shop. Yeah, so you can just write, yeah, put your name, put your phone, put your email, so if you leave the website the message will still arrive your email. Yeah, and this is pretty much it. The copy of your order is going to be on your email, which was put in the list of your order. As you see, extremely easy to make an order, and with the information you provide us, we can see maybe it's something we need to change, maybe we need to suggest something in case if there's some misunderstanding at using equipment, and just have a conversation about what we have over here in the order. And also we can change anything as administrators of the website with no problem. So after a while you can log in again and see the changes in your order. That's it for today. If you're gonna have any questions, please write on our email, Gmail. Even without making an order, you can provide us a list of equipment so we can calculate the shipping. So it's not really necessary, but it's a comfortable way to connect with each other. So again, over here in emails, and thank you for watching. Happy distilling.